Hello folks, Victor with Show Me Adventure Van Life. Today I am going to work on moving my pantry forward enough to get this bed back there. And I'll show you what I'm doing here. I'm just using this. Actually, I'm going to use the level. Use the level to get everything straight here, so I know, use it as a straight edge. There we go, right there. I gotta mark it here. There we go. Alright. See, I got it. See, I got it marked right there. That's how far I have. That's where the back edge here, this edge right here, has to be where that mark is. So I gotta move the whole pantry up. I'll be moving the whole pantry up, and it'll be shortening the bed to about here. So then it'll be like a little love seat, and one section of it will pull out so it comes right here all the way to the door. So it'll be a bed across here, and then there'll still be room over here, but I'll show you as I go. All right, here we go. I'm going to measure there. Let's get this down here. That is 28¼ inches. So 28¼ inches will be right here. Yeah, then there will be 28¼ right there. There we go. We'll have a 12-inch section from here to here that's cushion, and then we'll have the 3-fold cushion here, which will be a section that comes out all the way over to the edge of the bed. There we go. Alright, I got her. Got it figured out. Got to come forward 28¼ inches. 28¼ inches. I'll move this 28¼ inches forward. So I'm going to have to take my mattress out and start figuring out here. So, I'm going to put this up here. Start working on taking the mattress out. Alright, here we go. Getting the mattress out. Alright, here we go. We got my bed, which right here. Pull that out and that out. Put them over here. This bed pulls out into a full-size bed. But there we go. Slides back in. It's easier with 2 hands. But we're going to cut this off 28½. We're going to go 28½. So we'll probably cut it off 29. we'll give it 29 inches. So that'll cut it off right there. I'll have to split one of these boards. And then I'll cut it off right here, right even with this, whatever that is there. I'm going to mark that. Right there. There. That's where I'll cut it off. So this section will slide out, but from there to there, let's do 29. Right, well, right there. Okay, from there to there, that section will be permanent. So it'll be like a love seat, and that'll be right up to here. So we'll get that, we'll work on getting that moved. I'm gonna insulate this and put a piece of paneling, like this paneling, over it, because I'll be able to screw it right here, which is good. Yeah, we'll get that going, and like I said, I'll get that insulated and some paneling over it, and then we'll go from there. I'll bring you back in a little bit. All right, I'm marking this at, that is 29 3/4 and 29. Okay. I'm not even gonna have to should probably be using a pencil for this, but you know. There. I got that marked. Now I can cut with the skill saw and cut that right off there. And then all I got to do is take this side apart. This side can stay here. I'll probably drill another hole there and another hole there. Oh, another hole there at an angle to hold that board straight, but it'll stay straight. Anyway, I'll get that cut off and it'll be fine. So we'll get her going, and then I'll measure this. Oh, that'll go right along the edge of that board. There. That's easy enough. I ain't got to mark that. I just got to cut right along the edge of that board. Once I get that, I can do that. Alright. Then this side here will pull out. Alright, we're going. We're getting her done. I'm figuring things in my head. But I got to get this taken out before I can do anything else. And then I'll move that all up. So I'll bring you back in once I get this here, working on this here. Well, I got that out. Now, this here moves in and out for the bed, but I gotta connect this right here. Let me get that back there. Leave a little space. There we go. Got it right there. Leave a little crack so it'll go back fairly easy. All right, I'm gonna drill some holes and screw that to that, and then probably move that leg up underneath there, and that'll be it for today. Then the next time I work on it, I'll move that whole cabinet up so it's up against this. That leg will be underneath there, and I'm gonna have to put a leg underneath that, right underneath here, so when I pull it out, and I'm gonna get another layer underneath that slides out for the bed. So we'll get her going. Thanks for watching. Live life to the fullest. Okay, I got this leg screwed in there, and this here screwed down. I might screw there and there, but I'm out of battery. So I'm gonna clean up here and see what else I can do. Like I said, I gotta insulate that window, put the paneling over it up to here, right up to there probably, and I'll get her all insulated, and I'll have to spray that with paint again, and then the insulation will ride against it. Nobody will be able to see in there, but we'll get her done.